In this chapter, we covered a lot of ground. Let's go ahead and do a quick review. First of all, we fixed a broken field and broken sort criteria in a view after we deleted a field that we had used previously. And then we modified the medium date format in order to match up with our mockups so that the date column in our calendar view looked right. We then added a header to the view to include that brief bit of text below the title. We deleted some content that we created in order to test out our view, and in the process explored some options to bulk update our content. And finally, we learned about what taxonomy is. We added a vocabulary as well as terms, and then we added a term reference field to our guide content type. If you want to challenge yourself, there's a few things you could do. First of all, you can update the tour content type to use the same field that we created for the guides with the term reference field for the tour types, and replace the field that's currently being used for tour type. This is something that we're going to do in future videos, so you'll be able to mark your progress based on what we cover. And then you can add the ability for the end user to sort the tour calendar by tour type or by date. Right now, when a user goes to that page, they see a list of the tours, but they can't sort it any particular way. But it's pretty easy to add that sorting through views, so see if you can find those options. And finally, we added a header to the calendar view, but we didn't add a footer. So go ahead and see if you can figure out how to add some dummy content to a footer for the calendar. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.